Hello everyone, I'm David Lewis. You know, we all get them, we all hate when it happens, and it always happens at the worst possible time of the day. So what am I talking about? Well, I'm talking about an irate customer in the service department. Now I'm going to share with you today the 7 ways to deal with these irate customers. First, you need to listen to them, and listen without interrupting until they're done. Second, you need to acknowledge with sincerity their concerns. Let them know that you clearly heard what they were stating. Third, you need to validate what they're telling you is not acceptable to your dealership standards. Fourth, you need to align yourself with them. Tell them how you would feel and that you would feel the same way if you were in their situation. Fifth, assure them that their concerns will be addressed by the dealership. Sixth, make suggestions that will resolve their concern. And finally, you have to thank them for bringing this to your attention. If you follow these 7 simple steps, you will turn that irate customer into a long-term customer of your dealership service department.
Thank you for watching my video, and I hope I inspired you. If you enjoyed the content, please like, share, and click the subscribe button. Once you subscribe, make sure to hit the bell so you can receive more content like this every week. And should you have any comments or questions, I'd love to hear them.